Yeah, so I was going to zoom in on the rivals. They are all the way over here, yeah. But it's so saturated. I mean, look at that, you know. That's so light blue, and it's not. I mean, you can see it. Look at the horizon. This should be a dark azure. Hang on, I can hear one of these jets coming. There he is, a little fucker. Go on, switch it on now then, you prick. And if you're wondering, oh, where's his tanks for that then? It's in the fuel in it. It's an additive. There's another one of these. Go on, switch it on. It is, despite that, yeah, it's a flipping nice day. And let me just zoom on and come on. Look how big that is and their legs. See this scene over here. Cute. Look at the big ears. I'm gonna have a lay down. Hey, begin back. It's gone from climate change watch to sheep watch. Hey boys. I don't know, it just oh, see up there, dickhead. Got ya. Hang on. Where is the snake? Below the clouds. See? Yeah. That's a fighter jet from RAF. Yeah, with his fuel additives. Pyrolyzed fuel additives. Got you on camera, mate, you knobhead. Got you on camera, you little dickhead. Hey, who's gonna have words with RAF? I've had words with them before today. Little shite-talks. Look at the state they've made on the sky. How dare they? Oh Jesus, I sounded like I sounded like who you know who. How dare you? You have stolen our future, but they actually are, guys. You know, climate change bell ends. Here's your climate change, even though, you know, they haven't changed the climate today, but they're laying the grounds. They saturate the air with their crap, and then someone else comes with a catalyst. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. Let me see. Ah, no, hang on. I'm just going to check that crappy flight radar. I'm just checking the flight radar app just so we can see if it's actually registered on it. Hang on a minute now. Flight radar 24 and so do you know what? Well, he's flown over the mountains. Ah, there they are. These two here, look. So it's either, let me see if I can actually film it. No, you can't see it, can you guys? But it's, I'll say it now. Valley Anglesey, and it's BAA Systems Hawk 128T2. Reg is ZK032, and hang on, let me get the other one. This one is ZK027, and it's a Hawk 128T.2. And they're going around in loops, guys. That's, well, you can't see it, can you? So anyway, but there it is. The Valley boys, you know. Crown, agents of the Crown. Look at that.